1977 MG MGB Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission. Engine does have the updated intake and carb on it. Take a look at the front bumper. Headlight surrounds. Take a look at all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website and check it out. Call us 507-386-1726. MG steel wheels. Paint does show its age some. A few spots there where there may be a nick or a chip or a scratch here or there, but hey, so those cars, get in it, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just a nice sunny afternoon, take it out and drive it. Black vinyl interior. Center console. Of course, the shifter. Does have a black vinyl top. We're going to put that up here at the end of the video so you can check out the condition of that. Speaking of the end of the video, stick around till the very end of this one and we'll take this car for a drive, set the camera up in it, show you how it drives down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels, some speakers installed in door panels. Seats free of rips, tears, holes. Black vinyl showing nice shape. Odometer reads 22,888. Cannot confirm or deny if that is original, just due to the fact that once the car is a certain age, the miles do not stay on the title. It gets marked exempt. Let's fire it up, see how it sounds. Starts easily. Nice throttle response. Oil pressure came up here. Notice the tack, it looked like it worked. That was a cold start, so I would expect temperature gauge to be up. And it doesn't look like fuel gauge moved. I did get the radio to power up, AM, FM, 8-track. Rest of the dash. 4-speed manual. Door closes and fits nice. Pretty quiet. Quiet, smooth runner. We slip up to the front. We'll pause this a second. Want to get the hood open, show you the engine bay. We'll put that top up, check out the condition of that. And then, like I said earlier, remember to stick around to the very end. See how this goes down the road. All right, get a look at the underside of the hood. And the engine bay. There you can see what I meant by a newer intake and carb. And 1.8 liter. Inline 4-cylinder. Gives you an idea how it runs. So let me pause this one more time and we'll get the convertible top up. Let's check that out. And here it is with the top up. Nice tight fit, especially above the windshield here. And black vinyl. Roll the side windows up so you can see how it fits nicely there, even as this little drip rail above the window. There was a couple little small tears, just small ones. I don't think it's going to affect much, and you could always take and tape it from the inside. How many times are you going to have this top up on the car? Be enjoying it with it down. And here's that other little spot, just a little stress. That's not, again, they're not terrible. Other than that, looks good, nice and tight. Side glass in the passenger side also fits well. If you need it to keep you out of a brief shower, we'll pop up Rain shower, not a problem. 1977 MG MGB Convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1977 convertible MG. We do have the convertible top up currently. This is a 4-speed on the floor. There. This car is a smooth runner. Little 4-cylinder purring. We're in 3rd gear now, going to 4th. Tachometer working well. Speedometer also working well. The temperature gauge is reading hot. That needle hasn't moved. The fuel gauge is reading empty. That needle hasn't moved either. The oil pressure is showing about 65 to 70 pounds. That's just right. And we have warning lights for anything else. The blower motor does work on this car. Radio does pick up stations. At least when I was parked, I could pick up stations. Very responsive steering in this little MG. You can see the steering wheel is tilted a little to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. If we let go of the wheel, this car stays right in the center of the lane, right where you put it. Comfortable bucket seats in this little car. I'm 6'1" and I do fit just fine in this little MG. Even with the top up, lots of headroom, plenty of leg room. Corners easily, being such a small, light vehicle. Smooth on the highway. Also, for such a small, light vehicle, it absorbs any imperfections in the road very well. If you want to take a look at all the pictures and read about this car, UniqueClassicCars.com.